In education systems across the U.S. and the Pacific region, educators work tirelessly to collect, analyze, and use student data, like academic performance or social and emotional well-being data, as a resource to support decision-making by teachers, school leaders, and policymakers. Through this work, educators create a culture of data use in their schools and systems. Data culture describes the collective behaviors and beliefs of educators who value, practice, and encourage the use of data to improve decision-making. To have a healthy data culture, several key elements must be present. Commitment from all stakeholder groups to make better use of data, a clearly articulated vision for data use, beliefs about the efficacy of teaching and the value of data in improving teaching and learning, accountability for results coupled with empowering teachers to make instructional changes, a culture of collaboration at all levels, modeling of data use by school and district leaders, and commitment to making ongoing instructional and programmatic improvements. In the Pacific region, education leaders acknowledge the difficulties in promoting or sustaining data culture. Differences in technology or internet access, variable access to professional or technical support, and cultural or linguistic contexts create unique challenges for building a data culture. Nevertheless, Pacific communities are resourceful and informed by place-specific practices for gathering, organizing, and sharing knowledge. Leaders in the Pacific region have shared some strategies for how they are moving through these challenges towards developing a stronger data use culture.
As a director today, now, I see the importance of data, but it's just something that clicks my mind that we often think of data as something that you put it on the computer and store it, without realizing that the data that is learned from a child until today and store away in our experience, those are good data that we can use it and compare to what results of test results, accreditation visit, or research findings, because we carry out so many activities. Yeah. So it's not just the modern data that we are dealing with today, but I hope other educators like me will accept and realize that we have so much data out there.
Data is very important because it actually tells us what or where our student is in the learning, especially in the classroom. It helps guide us as instructors to see what we need to do if students are failing or if they need prior knowledge. So in a way, I feel like these data, they might use as like a guiding resource.
You study and you learn about things and you use the result of your study to implement. We have what we call a FAME process. We formulate, we assess, we measure, evaluate, and then we develop. That's the college FAME process and everything that we do. And that process itself calls for us to do something and then we assess what we're doing, and then we measure what we've done, and then we evaluate whether it has worked. And then as a result of those evaluations, we develop process to either rectify, to correct, to make things work better.
Because data speaks, and that's what makes our leaders decide on what to do when they have the correct data from us. And so that's what I'm really looking forward for, a good, reliable data in place for the whole department in all the sections.